This is a review of the Dolphin Premier Robot Cleaner. Been able to test this thing out, and I feel like I can give a good, comprehensive, quick review of how it does. After reading about 1,000 reviews of every single different pool cleaner on the market, I decided that this one was the one I wanted to get. Honestly, I was very skeptical, and I checked Reddit, I checked all the different pool websites, and ultimately decided, you know what, I'm gonna test this one out. They look the same, they all sound like they do the same exact thing. Features. You got this handle. Cool pads on the side so that when you flip it over to change out the filters, it doesn't rub. Undo these latches. Pop this out. The filters are super easy to change. It comes with 3 of them. I only use 2 of them. These are the 2 that I use. This is the first filter. I used it yesterday, haven't cleaned it yet. It's like a little bag. Put it over this, throw this in. This is the second filter I have. Similar to the first, I think, although it doesn't have the screens. And this easily pops off and you can go and clean everything. And it takes about 2 minutes. Let me go through how easy this is to set up. I get an extension cord. I plug it in. You turn it on. There's 3 different settings, 1, 2, and 3. It's like once a day, twice a day. I don't know, you can read the manual. Take this off, throw it in the pool, grab this, switch out the filter, chuck it in the pool. Let it sit for about 4 hours. So I've had it in the pool for about 3 hours now. Just let it cruise around. I had a bunch of leaves and branches down there. Honestly, it does a surprisingly awesome job. I also got this cool Dolly system with it, which has been great. You can cover it up. Definitely a good addition, I would recommend. I did a ton of research. I didn't just look at one vacuum. I looked at every single vacuum, and then I looked at every single different model of every single vacuum. And I was trying to figure out if I wanted an in-pool vacuum or one of these things. Of all my research on searching on Reddit, on searching through all the different pool websites, it's kind of hard to figure out exactly what's going on. So after reading so many good reviews about this one, I pulled the trigger and have absolutely loved it. I wouldn't say there's too many outdoor products that I use frequently that I can say work perfectly. And I was definitely not expecting a pool vacuum to work that perfectly, but you know what? I've used it all summer. I've probably put it in the pool 50 times. It has been great. It has been almost perfect. I've had no issues. So that's my 5-star review.